Oh, hey, it's your tutor Lucas here. Today, I'm going to be snacking on romaine. I'm going to take a little bite out of this. Let's go take a little bite out of your test.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another fantastic question. This is a geometry question. It's coming from our first SAT practice test, but the second module, and this is question number 5, so hopefully we can find a quick and easy way to do this. I see a right triangle. Every time you see a right triangle, hopefully this equation pops into your head. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is a famous Pythagorean theorem. And I see here they gave us an a of 4. They gave us a b of 5. So if we want to find an answer that looks most straightforward, a squared plus b squared, d looks like our answer. Now, if you wanted to check where did that square root come from, that radical, well, if I wanted c by itself, notice up here we have a c squared, not just the c. I would need to take the square root to get rid of that squared. We would still have the a squared plus b squared in there, and then we can just change those into our numbers. 4 squared plus 5 squared, and there you go. Nice work. Now, thank you for learning with me. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Please leave a comment down below with a snack idea or a problem you'd like us to work through, and share with your Snackios friends for their test prep needs.